Hello everyone, welcome to Data Discovery. At this video, we are going to see the concept related to uniform distribution. Okay, as we have gone through lots of the statistical concept, this distribution is also used heavily. Even we have used this type of the problem statement, but we haven't know that whether it's following the uniform distribution or not. We'll be discussing in this video itself. So what is this uniform distribution, how the plot actually looks like, the example that we are going to discuss at this video. Let's get started. A uniform distribution is a probability distribution that is nothing but PD, probability distribution, where all outcomes are equally likely within a given range. Okay, let's represent it by the graph so that you will be getting the concept very easily. That if you were to select a random value from the range, any value would be as likely. Like when you're throwing a dice, okay, we have seen a random variable. When you're throwing a dice, you will be getting a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 values you will be getting. Okay, before that I just give on the concept related to uniform distribution. There are two types of the uniform distribution. One will be of discrete and another one will be of continuous. So now the example that I'm giving, it's of discrete ones. Okay, so if you will find the probability for each and every values, like 1 to 6. So if I will find the probability of the A, then you will be getting for 1 by 6, for 2 also 1 by 6, for 3 also 1 by 6. So same values you will be getting. So this type of the probability values, the distribution that you're getting, where all outcomes are equally likely within a given range. So if it's following, then you said to be as a uniform distribution. It's said the example that I've given. It's said to be as a uniform discrete distribution, UDD. Okay, and then how the plot actually looks like. Let's plot it. Okay, so based on the example that I'm going to plot it over here, but actually how it looks like, that we will be discussing after completing with it. So if I will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and over here this will be nothing but my x value or my input value, and this is nothing but my f of x, probability values, probability distribution, PD values. Okay, we'll just represent PD. And over here only one value is there, that is nothing but 1 by 6. For 1 also 1 by 6, for 2 also 1 by 6, 3 also 1 by 6, 4 also 1 by 6. This is how the uniform distribution looks like. Okay, this is for uniform discrete distribution. If for example you need to get it for continuous, so let's take the good example related to uniform continuous distribution. So there are various kind of the people in a classroom, but I need to find the range of the people whose height is lying between 178 centimeter to 180 centimeter. I need to find from this to this range itself. This is the another example for the continuous uniform distribution. So in which I'm having the continuous value, but over here I'm having the discrete. So how the uniform distribution represent is x similar to u of it's nothing but uniform distribution of a to b. What is this a to b? It's nothing but the limit. So how actually it looks like, that we'll just discuss. So here is my x, my x axis, and here is my function of x. If you will see any of the reference books, the to the google, if you will see, you will get this type of the plot, like from this to this, like that you type of the plot you will be getting. So this is nothing but a, and this is nothing but b, and this is nothing but 1 minus b minus a, and this the y-axis, it's nothing but the probability values. So what does it mean? So this is nothing but my a limit, the lower limit, and b is nothing but my upper limit. Okay, and this value, okay, this value, it's nothing but 1 by b minus a. How the 1 by b minus a comes? So this area under the curve, we know that it values is equal to 1. Okay, but the height, okay, if we are finding this type of the height, so at that moment the probability value is set as 1 by b minus a. So this is how the actual plot looks like. Any of the reference book you will be going through it, you will be getting this type of the plot. So this is the describe of the uniform distribution. And the most important is, we'll just mention it in the function also. It's nothing but 1 by b minus a, for a is less than x is less than b. This is the condition. F of x is equal to 1 by b minus a for this type of the condition, and it's equal to 0 otherwise. So this is something related to uniform distribution. I have given the examples related to it, the function, the diagrammatically, and the examples related to function. So here's the correlated uniform distribution. Here I have used the random data itself. Okay, uniform distribution is nothing but the probability distribution which all outcomes are equally likely. Example, by tossing a dice, we get the probability as 1 by 6. Okay, it's a part of the probably uniform distribution, but it's not exactly, it's not following the same value, but it's a part of the distribution itself. Okay, this is how the uniform distribution looks like. The values range. Okay, it value the range of the values lies between from this to this. Like over here you can see it's lying between 1.0 to 1.2. It's almost same. Okay, so this type of the distribution comes in our picture, in our data science. Some of the data, some of the feature, you will be getting it. Okay, I hope this video find it out so useful. To like, share, and subscribe to the data discovery. I will be coming across more related to data science, data analysis, ML, DL, NLP, and most importantly all the related to projects also. Thank you.